Hi guys, welcome back to Ask MBA. I hope you guys have watched the previous video. In that we have discussed Sharwari's journey towards how she planned her MBA prep and about her background and how she was preparing for Symbiosis Snap exam. So in this video, we're going to discuss about the interview because after getting a good score in the Snap examination, you also have to go ahead with the interview, which is very important for the final selection. I think, Sharvi, there must be many questions in your mind that point of time, how the interview is going to go. Because if you must have watched the previous video, or if you guys still haven't watched it, I request you to watch the video so that you'll get an idea, because she had completed her graduation in 2023 and there was a gap year. So people who have questions in their mind, that if there is a gap year, I'm a fresher, I've just graduated, so are there any chances to get into the college? So I think during that time, even you must have had those questions, right? So, Sharvi, let's start quickly and understand that how many calls did you get from Symbiosis, and for what all colleges had you applied? Or overall, at least a number of colleges interviews you gave, and which all interviews were lined up that point of time?
After my SNAP exam, I filled 5 colleges, out of which I got calls from 3 of them.
Okay.
I got from SIOM Nashik, I got SIDTM Pune, and SCIT Pune.
SCIT Pune. So again, the top 3 colleges which you got the call from. So were you excited after that, or were you still expecting कि अरे नहीं ठीक है चलेगा? How was the scenario that point of time?
I was happy because I wanted SIOM and
I got calls.
And I got from SIOM. And again, SCIT, I was happy because it has aligned with my background. I am from IT field, so I was happy, and SIDTM right now is performing really well.
The last year's package went around, the highest went on 30 lakhs. So it's a very great package, and the return on investment, everything is on a perfect criteria. So considering SCIT is the best option which you took. So coming towards the part wherein we were discussing that you got 3 calls, right? So SIOM to वो तो ऐसा हो गया कि अरे यार वो तो चलो मिल गया.
I was not sure कि SIOM आएगा या नहीं, because borderline पे था थोड़ा सा, but then when I got the call from SIOM, I was like
yes, हो गया, finally it's done. So how was the interview? What all questions were being asked to you?
So my first interview was with SCIT.
Okay.
And honestly speaking, I was not prepared for SCIT interview. I felt कि okay, first interview है, I'll try and see कि कैसा है interview, and then आगे के interviews में I'll perform well ऐसा. तो SCIT was like my starter वाला starter. First interview देखेंगे आगे का कैसा prepare करना है करके. So SCIT was very quick. My interview got over in like 7 minutes, maximum 7 minutes.
Okay, it was like
it was very quick. It was like, okay, tell me this, tell me that, tell me this, and done.
Achha, so what were the questions which they asked you?
So first they asked me is like, what is your background? Tell me about yourself. That was their first question. Then when I told them about myself, then they asked me about my project.
Okay,
so they asked me like, tell me about your project. So I told them about my final year project. Then after that they asked me, from where do you read all the technological related news? So I told them I usually use Times of India app, or I use InShots. So then after that they asked me, it was IT related question. They asked me, tell me what is neural networks.
Again a concept.
Yes, IT based concept. Then I told them what is neural networks. So after that they asked me types of neural networks, and my interview was done.
Okay. So basically, as a fresher, the most important question or the concept which will be asking is about what you had studied in your graduation. So similarly, I think they were more keen. You gave the answers. Were you prepared for this? I think we had few GD sessions and
we
at
did.
Ask MBA. So were you prepared, or were you like unexpectedly this question turned up?
I was prepared about my project, because that is something everyone told me, that your final year project is the main thing. And even for our final year project, we even published a paper in IEEE. So they were like, okay, they asked me questions on that. I was prepared, but I was not prepared about going, like they went deep into like
that concept.
I was not expecting, but I was knowing the answer. So And I think, yeah, one more question they asked me, why MBA?
Why?
Which is like
That is a stagnant, typical question.
Yeah, why MBA? And they asked me, why just SCIT?
Oh yeah, obviously they want to get a surety that you really want this college.
Like, what is the reason behind you choosing SCIT? Or is it like you got call from it, that is why, or you were like planning beforehand? So yeah, that was one question, and it was very quick, right? So I remember my panelist, we had in our GD was like fish market. Our GD was not good at all. Okay. We were 12 people in one GD. Okay. And usually what I had heard from my friends is like you will have 7 to 8 people max. Right. And we were having 12 people in one GD. So my first GD experience was not good at all. Okay. Because when they asked us question, everyone wanted to jump in. Yeah, because everyone is like, okay, nahi, mera sun lo pehle. Obviously, yeah. It was not a good experience. Then the interviewers themselves told us that, okay, we'll give each and every person one minute. They asked us one question and they gave us each and every us one minute. Right. Yes, and we had to give our points, and at the end they told us everyone would get 1 minute. Please conclude. That is how our GD went. So it was not a group discussion. It was like an opinion based. Yes, it was like, tell us your opinion. Your opinion about this. Yes. Are you for it or you against it? Yes. That's it. So it was, since it was SCIT, it was majorly on technology, IT. Yes, it was completely on technology. And I think my opinions and whatever I gave, they were very satisfied with it. Right. But the experience, I did not get GD like experience. GD like वो feel वो आया ही नहीं कि वो GD जैसा है. So it was okay, but my interview went really well. But after that, I was like, they took my interview for so less time. 5 to 7 minutes is like very less to know me personally, or do I really want this? Like, at least you need 10 minutes to judge a person, but it was like 5 minutes. Quick, done. I was out. Because you came from an engineering background, again from my IT sector, so there was more keen कि ठीक है अगर इसको हम select करते हैं, after the interview she's speaking well, she gave all the answers correctly, so there is no need of extending. Yes. तो वो एक surety आ जाती कि हाँ यार इसके admission she will be taking it. तो वो एक था. तो उसके बाद then which was the next interview? My next interview was with SIOM. SIOM, okay. So SIOM के साथ I was the most nervous because I went through their whole profile, and I saw that there are just 15% freshers over there, and apart from that, whole 85% and female candidates भी काफी कम होते हैं. So from the whole 138, I guess we have 138, 139 strength. Out of them, only less than 20 are girls, and apart from that, everyone all are males. So I was most scared for that interview because I felt, what would they ask me? Right. I was not sure because I was fully prepared with my, so for SCIT I was not prepared with my background, but over here I was fully prepared with my background. Like anything come up, I'm going to shoot anything would come up, I would give my answer. It would be related to my IT field, I would give it. If it is related to project, I would give it. If it is related in general, I would give the answer. I was fully prepared. I went for the GD. So when I went, so there was like the SIOM people, the college people, what they did an icebreaker round with us. So we were having a lot of time in between. So they told us like, you guys just have a conversation with each other. And then you would get comfortable. After that, we would go for GD, and then we would go for PI. So I really enjoyed my GD PI at SIOM. Yes, it was very nice. But I got tensed more because there was something different which was happening. No, because I was the only one who was younger over there. Acha, apart from that, like we were having 6 people in our GD, and all of them were 2019 and 20 pass out. And one of them was fresher, and apart from them, everyone had 3 to 4 years of experience. So I was scared. Okay, engineering ke baad immediately, going up to something else, or people mostly go for job, they work, they get work X and then plan, because SIM has great packages again. And for engineering, they only prefer engineers. So again, वो हर engineer का होता है कि Symbiosis का SIM crack हो गया तो बस हो गया. So like how it went. I was very tense when I went for my GD. So we had one abstract topic. We were just given a image in that there were various roles and their packages were given. And we had to explain what do we see in that, and we had to give our opinions based on that. So it was very nice. We have an icebreaker session. So I was very comfortable with those people, and we were very nice. If someone was not speaking, one of our group members used to say, "Oh, this person has been quiet."
It was quite as a systematic,
it was very systematic.
Smooth,
yes,
basically.
SIOM was very systematic. And then I went for my PI. The most unexpected PI I would have.
Okay.
I was prepared for everything, for my engineering, everything I was prepared. And they asked me completely different questions.
That's what happens.
Yes.
When you're prepared, when you feel you know everything, there's something bumper which is going to come up.
Yes. So they asked me like all operations related questions. I was not prepared for that. So they asked me questions like, okay, tell me which field would you like to work if you get placements over here. So I told them FMCG. Then they asked me what is FMCG. I told them what is FMCG.
Right.
Then they asked me numerous terms related to FMCG companies. Right. They asked me what is the shelf life.
The technical terms which
technical terms.
Because again, it's an operation management, so obviously.
Then they asked me a lot of operations related terms, like do you know this test?
Logistics and operations.
There were some tests. I don't remember the name exactly, but they gave me like, do you know this test? We do this test. Do you know it? And do you know how exactly the operation process works after the whole manufacturing is done? Do you know how the whole process works? They asked me many technical questions, and I was not aware of. I gave my answers look. I had done research. I had done my research, but I was not knowing the proper definitions or like exact meaning या वगैरह मुझे नहीं मालूम था. But I tried to give it. I thought, okay, maybe they are convinced, because at the end they were like perfect.
Okay.
When I gave my last, so there were two interviewers. First interviewer, I gave my answers. He was like, perfect. Now you take over. So the second person was that I think he was not Indian.
Okay.
Yeah, he was having a proper accent. So he was asking me like, why directly MBA? Why not have experience? So I explained him that okay, I was having one job offer with me just for backup. I did it. I was having that offer. Then he asked me for which company it was. So I told them I got it from Crompton Greaves.
Right.
So he asked me, okay, tell me the background of Crompton Greaves.
Okay. So they were trying to dig in
properly digging in. Then they asked me that if you had a good company in your hand, because that company is one of the oldest company. If you had proper offer with yourself, why did you choose MBA?
MBA, right?
Yes. Then I gave that answer. Then they asked me, okay, so you have completed your graduation in May.
Right.
After that, what all things you have done? Just give me a list of all those things. So I had learned few softwares like Power BI and all. I told them that okay, I've learned Power BI. Then they asked me, okay, how can we use Power BI in operations management?
Because it is not related to the terms.
But we can use it. So I gave them everything. Then they asked me, okay, what's your level in Power BI? So I told them my level. Then they asked me one or two questions about
Power BI.
Yes. And then after that, they asked me, okay, tell me what are your expectations from the college?
Right.
Yes. And then few questions about SIOM, like why do you just want
SIOM? Right.
Like what is that one feature in SIOM that distinguishes it from other colleges?
Right.
So yeah, these questions were there and it was done.
Okay. So how much minute did this whole conversation go?
It lasted for 15 to 20 minutes.
20 minutes
yes,
at last.
15 to 20 minutes.
Automatic, because two people were there again answering, and then everything went around. So, and the third one was?
My third one was SIDTM.
SIDTM, okay.
So that was, that started in morning, but it ended really late.
Okay.
So it took almost 2 o'clock to end. It started at 8:30 and it ended at 2 o'clock. So
I mean, there were many, people interviews must have been scheduled or...
Yeah. With SIDTM, I saw that every interview, it was taking roughly around 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
Every person
individually.
So when I went for SCIT, there were like 5 to 10 minutes maximum.
Maximum, yeah.
And in SIOM also, they did 15 to 20 minutes maximum. 15 minutes was actually their par. After that, they were stopping the interview.
Right.
So I was confused. What is happening
इसमें क्या होने वाला?
ये मेरा last interview. इसमें क्या हो रहा है? इतना time क्यों लग रहा है? But then when I went for SIDTM interview, their director came, he explained us about the college. Then they showed us one video about SIDTM, how their campus is SIDTM as the best campus.
I had visited and it was like, wow. I mean, we had, I think you had come for the session when SIDTM
I did.
Students had interacted.
Students, they came, they explained everything about SIDTM. So yeah, I was there. They explained us everything how.
Yeah, because I heard from other students too that they gave a whole instructions that what all things are going to happen and this is how the flow is going to be. So the students were already prepared.
Yes.
कि ये होने वाला.
So like from 8:30 onwards, they were like from 9 o'clock, I think their session started. So it was like first they introduced us like how the process is going to be. Then their director came. The director himself told us that how much he has experience, what is his background,
full मतलब पूरा डिटेल
पूरा मतलब एकदम proper
process
के बारे में. Then videos, that video was so much detailed. They gave us each and every information about SIDTM.
मतलब पहले अगर क्वेश्चन पूछा गया इसके why SIDTM, half of the answers are covered over there.
Actually मतलब अगर किसी ने prepare किया नहीं रहेगा कि why SIDTM, तो उनको उसमें मिल जाएगा.
राइट.
एंड वर्स्ट पार्ट इज SIDTM वालों ने पूछा भी नहीं.
भाई उन्होंने पहले ही पूरा हाईलाइट कर दिया था.
अगर किसी को क्वेश्चन पूछना ही नहीं उसमें टाइम क्यों वेस्ट
करना, अभी पता ही है क्या होने वाला. राइट.
So उसमें फिर SIDTM का GD was one unique GD actually, I would say, because उन्होंने जो टॉपिक दिया था ना हम लोग को, it was confusing. So उन्होंने पूछा था, are you in favor of smart cities or smart villages? तो उनका जो टॉपिक था, तो we had to side with one thing.
Yeah, you against for or you're towards it. Yeah.
So उसमें कुछ against and for नहीं था, because we in our topic only had two things.
Right. Two different things.
Yeah. We had to say about two things.
Right.
So but I think हम लोग का जो GD हुआ ना उसमें, we did not come to a proper conclusion कि okay why like just one thing, smart villages या फिर smart cities.
Right.
It was like half of them were in favor of smart cities
and half of them were smart villages.
Right. But we did not come to a conclusion.
Okay.
Yes. So that is something which I feel happened with us. But वो topic ही ऐसा था कि एक opinion आने ही नहीं वाला है किसी का. तो फिर after that interview was taking a lot of time. So I think I was in my panel, I think I was 6th.
Acha, okay. But
still 5th या 6th I was there. I had to wait nearly 2 hours. Yeah, 1.5 to 2 hours रहेगा. I waited for that much time क्योंकि अभी मेरा
साइड सर्च कुछ ना कुछ क्या ही करेंगे.
टाइम के बाद ऐसा हुआ कि सब कुछ सर्च करके हो गया,
क्या है.
And I was even happy क्योंकि ये मेरा last interview है. And I was also nervous कि यार इतना टाइम
लग रहा है कि 2 घंटे and you बैठे हो, you're online, you're waiting कि यार कब होगा. तो काफी पेशेंस और एकदम एंजाइटी होती है यार कब होगा, एक ही बार का खत्म हो जाए वैसा वाला.
तो उसके बाद I went for my interview and that lasted for 30 minutes.
Okay, again a big interview.
It was like at the end of the interview I felt like मेरा SIDTM नहीं होने वाला.
अच्छा, okay.
Convert होने ही नहीं वाला है.
अच्छा.
ऐसा इंटरव्यू गया था मेरा. So I think they grilled me. I don't know if it is called as grilling, but I feel they grilled me. But yeah, the outcome was not like they grilled me.
Achha, okay, because you got selected.
Yes, I got selected in SIDTM.
Yeah. So, I think you got selected for all the 3, SCIT, SIOM and SIDTM.
Yes.
All the 3 colleges got converted.
Yes.
And so finally, how did you select? Like, सारा हो गया भाई, अब मेरे पास है वो power कि मैं किस में जाना चाहती हूँ.
So मैंने सोचा कि ओके मेरा जो बैकग्राउंड है उससे आई वुड डू लाइक उससे आई वुड अलाइन माय केस. सो व्हेन आई वाज हैप्पी दैट आई गॉट SIDTM, बट SIDTM में व्हेन आई लाइक I had to choose. When I went through their profiles, I saw that I wanted to do analytics in SIDTM. But analytics had lesser number of seats. And the next was systems. And I went through their curriculum. I was not satisfied. Like for me, I was
your point of view, it didn't make sense.
Yes, it didn't make sense. They had a lot of coding,
and
I had already done that. And
but
again,
engineering
I didn't want it to do the same in
thing.
MB.
फिर से,
Yes. So that is why I chose SCIT.
Right.
That I went through SCIT.
I still remember, I think you had a conversation with mom and then Ashi sir, and then वो पूरा scenario, it was so much of confusion क्योंकि SIOM again वो तो तुम्हें चाहिए ही था. That was the main
I wanted. I would.
You got selected also.
And होता है वो, like मैं जब भी पूरा curriculum I went through, I saw that SCIT is a college जिसमें they are studying us everything. Like it is not just IT.
cover हो जाए. It's not only pure IT.
Yes, सबको ऐसा लगता है कि सिर्फ IT है,
नहीं है.
There are a lot of things.
Yes,
and
absolutely.
Yes. And there are few subjects which I did learn in my engineering as well.
Yeah.
So I think that is a plus point for me.
Absolutely.
So okay, I would just have to brush up those concepts again. So
that तो पूरा scratch से ही वो होगा ही जब एक बार start करोगे, because there are many other people who would be from a commerce background or pharma background or something else which they are preferring to go for a SCIT. तो फिर से वो पूरा brush up होने ही वाला. तो
so SIOM का है कि I have waitlist still, but it is comparatively very less.
Okay.
Very less.
मतलब वो होने almost
होने वाला है. So right at this moment it is SCIT.
Yes.
But if I get converted like SIOM waitlist हो गया तो I am going for SIOM.
अच्छा अभी भी है वो?
Yes, SIOM is my like
okay.
कुछ भी हो जाए I want to go in that college.
एक बार वो feel लेना है. हाँ.
वो feel लेना है, मतलब सबका ऐसे कि यार तुझे पुणे मिल रहा है.
because पुणे छोड़ के फिर तुम आ जा रहे हो.
It is like I want to go there. Operations is something which I really wanted
obviously
to do. SCIT again मेरे background से align होता है वो. It is like a completely different thing.
Right.
But SIOM is something I want to do operations.
No, but finally वो हो गया.
So yeah.
So finally you're going Pune or you're going this क्या बोलते अपना Nagpur. Nashik. Sorry, Nashik.
I at this moment Pune.
It is Pune.
Yes. जैसे ही waitlist convert होगा next day I'm packed out.
Let's just reveal this video once everything is done. Yes. So guys, you can comment that time and we'll surely tell you she is in Nashik or she is in Pune.
Yes.
that is going to be a controversy. And so yeah, I think today, I think within by this month, I think it would be all clear.
Yes, it would be clear.
We hope and we pray that you get the college. That time you guys would be watching us once everything is done.
Yes.
But then yes, for now SCIT is done. She's taken her admissions, everything. So how's the feel? Like how are you feeling? Are you feeling satisfied? You're happy? What about the emotions which are going on?
It has not still hit me that I have to go to hostel.
Okay.
It would hit me after a time that okay, I am going to go away from my home.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think at this moment it is like okay, I am happy with whatever I have gotten. And yeah, SCIT is
there.
Yes, it is there. It is there. It is in the heart of Pune. It is in Hinjawadi. It is close to my house as well.
I can feel ऐसा वो eyes are getting emotional.
Yeah, अभी now I'm
मुझे ही हो रहा है.
होने वाला है.
Actually वो मुझे भी ऐसे I feel it because you know when
even you have gone through that.
So it feels very ऐसा emotional and you know it's a lot. It takes a lot to decide because you're going away from your family and friends and the city where you're stayed. सब कुछ सारी memories ऐसा वो flashback
होने वाला है. अभी hit नहीं हो रहा है.
बट अभी एकदम हो जाएगा. वो ऐसा होता ही है. वो that is there. मुझे ही feel हो रहा है. I'm just imagining.
I think like a while back we were having conversation that are you done with your packing? We were having this.
I saw that time also, but I think something came up and then वो skip हो गया.
So even till now it is not there, but yeah, hopefully Pune is close to my home.
Yeah,
so it is not going
फटाक
to
से आ गए.
हुआ तो, but yeah, I am happy with like I gave interview for 3 colleges and all of them went really well. So yes.
अभी भी ऐसा हो रहा है. I think yeah, this was required and it's actually a very emotional toll, yeah, guys. I mean, वो नहीं समझ जब तक वो आता नहीं है ना स्टेज पर तब तक वो फील नहीं होती है. But then यार
maybe उधर जाके और अलग फील
होगा. तब हम लोग उसके फिर से वीडियो बनाएंगे कि
फिर वापस we'll like go back and watch that video.
ऐसा हुआ था. but then yes, I'm surely I mean I have full confidence, and I know that you'll be getting into the best top 10 packages and the highest one,
hopefully.
because you have that in you. You have worked hard for the exam and interviews and everything, and all our wishes and prayers are with you. So guys, I want you guys to also wish her all the best in comments, and
yes,
wish her all the luck. And I know you are going to get into the top highest packages in 2024.
जैसे ही anything is going to happen, I'll be like, Sneha ma'am.
Yes, वो तो होने ही वाला है, don't worry.
नहीं तो फिर आशीष से, sir, even if I am in Pune, we can meet as well.
Obviously, वो तो है.
Like we have our branch in Pune as well.
Yeah. So we'll be coming there again. Those चीजें रहेंगी. But yes, it's going to be a good experience for you. You're going to get up more stronger and wiser after this 2 years. Let's hope and pray for everything good. ठीक है guys, I think we are too much emotionally up right now, so we'll close this video. Make sure you're liking and wishing her all the best. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.